What is going on, guys? If you've not yet heard of me, my name is Peter Roberts. I wanted to just talk and kind of explain a few things that I've been thinking of that has been kind of stirring in my heart, and also one of the most important messages I can share to you and some of the most important concepts that I've taken into my life, yet it's rather my business journey, my personal development, and even just the way I'm trying to figure out my life as well. So right now I'm currently sitting in my driver's seat of my truck, and I kind of wanted to talk about how you can start getting in the driver's seat of your life, how you can start taking control of where you want to be, and going over it and completing the things that you wanted to achieve at. One of the most important things that I'm kind of seeing right now in society is that we are living in a society full of opportunity. We're living in a digital age where you can scale a business. You can create that life that you've always wanted to be. And I wanted to sit down and reflect and just talk to you guys about some of the things that I've thought about, how I'm trying to change my life, how I'm trying to continue to grow business, how I'm trying to use platforms like social media, and more importantly, how I'm not afraid to document or create content. And this is one of the most important things that I could share with you guys right now, is that in this society, we are always on our phones here. We're always scrolling, we're always seeing content being created. But I just want to ask you this: why aren't you, or are you creating content for yourself, for your personal brand? Are you putting what you know out there? Everyone there is so unique, and I just want to let you guys all know, and even myself, is that you start with 0 followers on even your Instagram. You start with 0 followers on your YouTube channel. You start with 0 followers wherever you're going, and no matter what path you're going with in life, it's important to start taking some actions and get going out there. Why are you afraid to post or create? I want you to live that life that you wanted to live. I believe and I know what life I want to live, and I know that you want to live the life that you want to live, but why aren't you trying to create that? But are you scared? Are you valuing other people's opinions? Are you putting other people's judgment on a pedestal? There's some things that I want to talk about right now, is that there's a platform out there that is emerging and I'm currently using, yet I'm getting so much criticism. So I'm the type of person that takes on my own criticism, and I'm going to talk about the things that I'm doing, yet other people are judging me for as well. And that's a platform called TikTok. If you've not heard of it, guys, I just want to bust out this. I want to record this as some documentation. Is that TikTok is such a powerful platform. It's over 500 million users, I think, right now. I believe it has the power to be as accepting or even as global as Instagram in the future, and even Facebook. So guys, I'm creating content. I want to see, and I want you guys to know that. And if you want to live that life that you have always wanted to live, if you want to be that person that gets this following, that builds a brand, why aren't you creating? Why are you scared of trying to build that life for yourself? And that's one of the things that I see in this young and youthful generation. Rather, the opportunity is so large, but the opportunity of getting judged, or the opportunity of getting put down, is much greater. And that's kind of scary for me to watch. And I just want to encourage you guys that some of the greatest and most biggest YouTube channels were nothing at first, but their consistency in posting, their plan, and they had a vision of what they wanted, and that's how they achieved and what they wanted in life. So that's why, guys, it just bugs and irks my heart, is this: I feel this power and intuition to continue to document or continue to post things, but you want to live this life and you're looking at other people's lives, and that's what makes me so sad. Is you're like, wow, this person has such an amazing life, they made this life for them, how come I can't have it? And there's probably one reason. The one reason is that you're not posting, you're not creating, or you're not putting yourself out there. To be successful, you have to be vulnerable, and that's kind of what I've learned, is that people are going to be looking at you, people's eyes are going to be on you. When you build a following, when you build that attention around you, yes, there's going to be people supporting you, and more importantly, there's going to be people against you or backing against you, or get jealous, spiteful, and not wanting the best for you. And that's scary. But guys, I just want you to create. Why aren't you creating? That's my question to you. Why aren't you having a YouTube channel? Why can't you flip that camera on? I've had that same fear on my Instagram, posting what I really wanted to, posting on all these platforms what my true message was. And secondly, I had that opportunity of, I was scared to post a YouTube channel because I always didn't want people, that my friends or people that I lived around, to go on there and see me. What are they going to think about me? What are they going to tell their other friends? And that's scary. But guys, at the end of the day, no one really worries about or really cares about what you're going through. Yes, they might judge you, but they have their own life to figure out. They have their own life and own battles to really worry about. So yes, they might make fun of you for a quick second, or they might judge you because you're on there exposing yourself, but you have enough gratitude and that you're doing what makes you happy, and you can change your life with these platforms. And I know if you have that personality inspired to communicate with the world, this is the best way to get it. So guys, my biggest question is why aren't you, why can't you, and will you start producing content? I think it's one of the most powerful platforms that we can start changing our lives, because the digital age is only going to continue to grow. This is the best time to start bringing awareness. You are unique, you have your own story, you have your own path in life, and there's millions of people in this world that can probably relate to you. And that's why I flipped on the camera right now and talked to this story. That's why I flipped on this camera, because I know that there's people like me at first that were scared to produce or create content. I know there's people in this world who want to start that YouTube channel or want to create this platform or finally get that job, but they're scared because someone is going to think about them. Guys, start going out there to create. You cannot live that 1% life. You cannot create that life that you want to do if you're always shelling, or you're scared, or you're on defense. Because no matter what, at the end of the day, when this world comes to an end, when you're 50 or 60, 70 years old and you look back, do you want to live with regrets? Do you want to have that fear of not doing something you've always wanted to do? There's times, personally, I'm going to talk about where I'm not feeling motivated. There's times that I'm not feeling at my best, and there's not times when I'm dragging through life and because it's scary and I have to do mundane tasks and go through the day-to-day hustle and grind. I'm trying to grow this business. I'm trying to grow other things, but I find myself slipping back. But then I realize that, hey, I know my purpose. I know what I want to do. I want to inform the audience. I want to build this relationship with you guys online and build this community. But why am I scared? What am I in fear of? And I look at myself and I tell myself, hey, just go on, flip on that camera, try it. Don't be scared. Don't knock something unless you try it. That's kind of my advice, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that quick little video, guys. I would really appreciate it if you kind of even subscribe to this. There's a lot more of this coming. I want to document and show you guys what I'm going through. I'm a college student myself, trying to figure out my life, but more importantly, I'm trying to encourage people to produce content, to share their mission, to share their purpose in life, because this is the #1 way to communicate your message and your story with other people who want to hear it. And let's get everyone on the same page. I want us all to try to go and become that best person we can be. Go to live that dream that we always want to be. Stop looking at other people's lives. Stop scrolling. Stop spending time wasting, consuming other people's content, and start creating. Let other people consume your content. Be the creator, not the consumer. And I'll tell you what, guys, you're gonna be on your way to start building something for yourself, and hopefully it'll lead to your end happiness and allow you to become that person or do that thing that you've always wanted to do for the rest of your life. So that's kind of my quick little message, guys. More videos to come. I'm making a promise to you that I'm gonna be trying to post as much as possible, because I want to relate and share with you guys. In the comments, let me know what you guys want to see. I got a lot on my plate, but I'm trying to share my journey, my day-to-day with you guys, and also just sit down and relate. And I love just talking to you guys. So reach out to me on Instagram, Twitter, whatever, you guys. I'll leave that in the descriptions. I want to hear where you are in your journey. If you have any questions, shout me out, guys. I want to talk to you and learn about this. I love people, and I want to meet every single one of you. Have a nice day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. We're out. We're gonna go hit the gym real quick, so that's why I'm kind of in my truck, but I'll catch you guys.